Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the PlayStation error code E-8210604A when an error occurred with the payment method on your PS4. So the easiest way to get around this is if we go to settings and go to account management, account information, and then we're going to have to verify our identity by using password and sign in. And I just use the PlayStation app on my phone and hit approve. And then I can go to wallet right here. Now you're going to have your payment method in here. We can try going to it and we could try deleting it from our PlayStation account and re-adding it and seeing if that actually works, but that probably won't actually work. So what we want to do is just go to add funds to our wallet. And if we add funds to our wallet, well, this could actually make it work. So we can buy the game just with funds. So let's go to wallet once more. Go to add funds right here and select your credit card, your payment method, and then choose the amount. What's kind of annoying is you have to add $50 and then you have to add like $25 because that's going to be $75. Usually games are what, like $60 to $70 now, so you can't just add the correct amount. You have to go a little bit more, but once you add the funds to the wallet, you add like 70 bucks, you can go ahead and just purchase the game. Now, if you're on the PlayStation Store too, there might be an issue where you have the game already in the cart. So go up to the cart right here and remove the game from the cart and then re-add it, and then you can see your current wallet balance. Once you add the money through the funds, you should be able to just purchase it there too. Now, another thing is maybe there's some sort of like account sync issue with your account. Go to settings, go to account management, and then just sign out and sign back in with your email address and password. Just a small little thing could be causing a big issue on your PlayStation. Another thing that I do is if I ever run into any kind of these annoying little errors with the PlayStation Store, which I've had in the past, I use the PlayStation app on my phone. So this is what the PlayStation app looks like. I can just go to the PlayStation Store and then I can just buy the games through here. So like here's Grand Theft Auto 6, even though it's like a year away, I can add this to my wish list. Maybe I can buy it right now. So just use your phone to purchase the game, and then you can choose the option to download it to your phone, to your PlayStation 4. So you can just go over here, go to games, go to this, and then you can download it directly through this application. And then you should be good to go. Otherwise, if you do buy it on a different platform, it's going to be on your account. You just have to go over to library, go to purchased, and you should be able to find it under here and then download it. So if you can't do it on your phone, just go to your purchase section and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.